Hi, I'm Deepak Deulkar. This is my daughter Ishwari Deulkar, and she is my wife Nishigandha. Well, talking about our experience, Skywalk's balloon safari, it's awesome. I mean, if you tell me to rate it, I just can't. I just can't. And finding that kind of experience in India, uh, before coming here, I had never thought of it. Uh, Talking personally about Sangram and Neha, both are very warm. In fact, the pilot Jairam, he was also very warm, and it was a mind blowing experience. And I would recommend all of you to have this experience. Come, try it, and of course we are going to come and do it again and again. Same will you.
Chalo, 3 cheers. Namaskar. If we talk about Skywalks, if we talk about this balloon safari, it is an affair with the skies. It's a poetry. It is beautiful, and our smiles are very eloquent about it. And I mean, we have experienced it. It's perceptual for us. And so even if it is testimony for you, I'm sure you're going to enjoy it and you should make the most of it. आणि अगदी म्हणजे मराठीत सांगायचं झालं तर हा अनुभव असा आहे की जो मनाच्या कुपीत अत्तरासारखा सुगंधी होऊन कायम स्वरूपी बरोबर राहील. अतिशय सुरेख अनुभव होता. आणि म्हणजे तुम्ही बघताय की आता हे गावकरी सुद्धा इथे आलेत, म्हणजे जसा त्यांच्या डोळ्यामध्ये एक असा ऑ आहे, एक सरप्राईज आहे, तसं आमचंही होतं. आणि हा अनुभव घेतला. वी आर ग्रेटफुल टू स्कायवॉल्क्स. खूप मजा आली आणि भरपूर लोकांनी हा आनंद घ्यावा.
आणि स्कायवॉल्सचे असे महाराष्ट्रातच एक 100-150 बलून जसे दिसायला लागून फिरताना ही आमची शुभेच्छा. ऑल द बेस्ट.
थँक्यू सो मच.